Hello and welcome to the Using Force Extension Graphs revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please subscribe to support the channel. A force extension graph shows how the extension of a material is changed when a force is applied to it. So as we can see in the example here, when the weight is placed onto the spring is stretched. So the extension of the material increases. The extension is a difference between the new length, when the weight is added, and the original length, when the weight is not present. And then we can plot this as a force extension graph shown on the right. The gradient of a force extension graph will give the spring constant, and the spring constant is a measure of the stiffness of the spring. So if we look at this graph here, the force extension with two lines, the purple line has a steeper gradient, so it's got a higher spring constant and therefore the spring will be more stiff, whilst the red line has got a shallower gradient, lower spring constant, and so the spring is less stiff. We can calculate the gradient or spring constant from a force extension graph. If we first of all take the standard graph line and then we draw a horizontal and vertical lines to form a triangle, and then we can use the scale to find their lengths, and then it's the change in force, which is 3 newtons, divided by the change in extension, which is 0.3 meters, and that will give us our gradient or spring constant of 10 newtons per meter. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to support the channel.